Global shipping market trends. According to the latest data from the Shanghai Containerized Freight Index, shipping rates from Asia to Northern Europe and the Mediterranean have risen by 9% to 925 TEU and 10% to 1,387 TEU, respectively, marking the second consecutive week of increases. On the other hand, shipping rates from Asia to the U.S. East Coast have slightly decreased to 2,441 Chuan FEU, while rates to the U.S. West Coast have increased slightly to 1,769 FEU. Additionally, in November 2023, the volume of container shipping from Asia to the United States reached 1,493,164 TEUs, an increase of 13% compared to the same period in 2022, indicating a recovery in market demand. Impact of bilateral trade and e-commerce between China and Vietnam in the first 11 months of 2023. Bilateral trade between China and Vietnam reached $216 billion, a year-on-year growth of 3.6%, accounting for 25% of China's trade with ASEAN. The trade volume in November 2023 between China and Vietnam reached a monthly record high of $25,702 billion, reflecting the deepening economic and trade relations between the two countries. Cross-border e-commerce and express delivery service updates. As Chinese e-commerce platforms like Shein and Temu continue to increase their sales in overseas markets, there has been a surge in demand for air freight, leading to an increase in air freight prices. Some overseas platforms are willing to pay higher than usual shipping fees to ensure orders are completed on time. To meet the growing demand from cross-border e-commerce, Tianjin Cargo Airlines has increased the number of flights on the Zhengzhou to Bangkok route, with a planned total of 240 flights in 2023, expected to add 10,000 tons of air cargo volume and an import and export value of $160 million. Over 1,100 DHL Express workers initiated a strike on December 7, 2023, at the Northern Kentucky International Airport in Cincinnati, USA. To avoid disruptions in air cargo operations, DHL has shifted cargo flights away from the affected airport. This strike is likely to result in significant delays or interruptions in parcel deliveries. Competition among e-commerce platforms in the global market. Since entering the Mexican market in April 2023, Temu has rapidly grown to 18.4 million visitors, becoming the third largest e-commerce platform in terms of traffic in Mexico, indicating its rapid rise in the regional market. Amazon's influence in the German express delivery market is increasing, making it the second largest delivery service provider in the country, with a market share ranging from 15% to 25%. This is impacting the dominance of DHL in the market. Amazon's global online toy sales exceeded $133 billion in 2022, surpassing Walmart's $52 billion and Target's $20 billion, particularly during the Black Friday period in 2023, where toy products accounted for nearly 20% of e-commerce sales, demonstrating its competitive advantage in the e-commerce sector.